easy way to play Movin On by Missouri so that you can sing along. A special thank you for the request. There's only 3 parts to learn: the intro, the verse, and the chorus. So we're going to start with learning the verse. The first thing you're going to play, the C sharp minor chord, thumb, middle finger, pinky, then an A chord. In my right hand I like to use thumb, second finger, and fourth finger, and then B major chord, I use thumb, middle finger, pinky, and then back to that C sharp minor chord. And each verse you play those 4 chords twice. So C sharp minor, A major, thumb, to a B major, and then finishing on that C sharp minor. Now there's a few tricks we can add to really give the groove of the song. The first thing we can try to do is add some rhythm to the right hand. So we're going to try this on every chord. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. Next chord. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and B. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. In terms of the rhythm for the verse though, it goes moving on, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, from town to town, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. I'm alone, 2, 3, and 4, and B. On my own, 2, 3, and 4, and. Just like that. Now the next thing we can add is some rhythm in the left hand. This is optional, but it will help to cement the groove of the song. The rhythm we're going to play is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. The last thing we can add to really spice this up is adding in an extra note in the left hand. So instead of just going 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, we're going to add in these green notes, and this is a secondary note we can add over this chord. So for the first chord, C sharp minor, we'll go 1, 2, and 3 to this black note here with your thumb. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Next one, the A chord will be 1 and that green note. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then the B to this one, back to the C sharp minor one. It's totally up to you how many of those extra parts you add into those chords, but the important thing is that you play with passion. Alright, let's move on to the chorus. So we start with the C sharp minor chord, quickly go to the B major, and that's over the words and that. Then we go to this E major chord, road goes on and to a B major, on into the, back to that A major chord we played in the verse, and my destiny is bound, B major, to move me on. So you may notice that last part of those chords are exactly the same as part of the verse. One other rhythm I like to add to the chorus, very similar to what we did in the verse, goes like this: 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 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 and 2, and 3, and 4, and then with that extra bass note, it would sound like this: 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Once again, play the chorus rhythms however you like, as long as you play it with feel. Okay, let's move on to the introduction. Now there's 3 parts to the introduction. The first is these 4 chords, C sharp minor, and you can play it at whatever speed you want. An A major chord, like we've learned in the verse, but keep that C sharp in the bass. Then the B chord in the right hand, but C sharp in the bass, and then back to the C sharp minor chord. Now in the intro, he does sing a chorus after those 4 chords, and that chorus doesn't follow any time. I'm going to skip that part for now because I've just shown you the chorus chords, but if you do want to do that, just play the chords I showed you in the last part. Just after he does that, girl, I want you, but I just gotta go. Then there's this final section of the intro. It goes like this: C sharp minor, G sharp minor 7, which is just the B major in the right hand, but just that note in the left hand. Back to C sharp minor, then F sharp minor 7, which is just the A major in the right hand, but that note in the left hand instead. back to C sharp minor. And we play those 5 chords twice. Now the timing for that is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and that's the intro. So if you learn how to play those 3 parts, you can play the whole song. But if you want a better visual representation, have a look at the cheat sheet in the description below. For now, I'm going to have a jam through it myself. Moving on from town to town, I'm alone on my own. All my life when I've been moving, don't know why, just gotta go.